ALDImobile Mobile Operator Review Usage Experience. Links to ALDImobile plans are in the description. Let's get straight to it. ALDImobile is a budget-friendly MVNO operating on Telstra's network, offering solid coverage and competitive pricing. It's designed for cost-conscious users who want reliable service without premium costs. You get access to Telstra's wholesale network, meaning good urban and regional coverage, though not as extensive as full Telstra plans. ALDImobile offers prepaid options with generous data allowances, unlimited calls and texts, and international call inclusions on select plans. The data rollover feature ensures unused data isn't wasted, a major plus. Speeds are capped at 100 Mbps on 5G plans, which is fast enough for streaming and browsing. Customer service is online-focused, with limited phone support, so if you prefer human assistance, it may not be ideal. Setup is simple. Just grab a SIM from Aldi stores or online. Plans are flexible, with long expiry options for light users and family plans that allow shared data. The biggest downside? No full Telstra network access and no postpaid options. But for the price, it's one of the best budget choices in Australia. If you need affordability, good coverage, and flexible plans, ALDImobile is worth considering. Check out the links in the description to compare plans and see if it suits your needs.